guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Petal Wigs. It says meet your beauty 100% human hair, and it comes in this drawstring bag. This is a wig we're working with. Before I get into that, let's see what else we have. I got a comb. Oh, this is cute. I got a weaving cap. Oh, I got a pair of lashes. The thing broke, but these are cute. And that's everything that came in today's package. So let's see our hair that we got today. This is a straight hair, and this is a highlighted wig, as you can see today. Really pretty, really pretty. I actually want to curl this up though, I'm not gonna lie, because I've been doing a lot of straight hair. So this is actually 22 inches long. It's 150% in density. It's also a 13x4 lace front wig. Standard cap construction, 3 combs in total in the cap, and adjustable straps in the back. So for today's look, I want to do a side part, and I want to get this nice and, you know, wanded. I want to do some nice wand curls. By the way, update guys, I actually got my curling iron. Well, I haven't got it. I went ahead and purchased it, waiting on it. It's actually one that you guys recommended when I asked you in a video some time ago. So I'm excited about that because I saw good reviews on it. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the application of this.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you. This high.
I'm done with using my got2b and just installing the wig. So now it's time to finesse it, get the edges looking good and stuff. And then I'm gonna go into pretty much curling it up. So I want a nice, I'm gonna give it like a deep side part today. That's the type of look I'm going for, like that nice flip over, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna get it really nice and wanded.
Stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, give up this feeling.
know the drill. I went ahead, got glammed. So now I'm just gonna unravel my curls. I did not layer the hair, so I'm going to do that in the front portion, like when I finish unraveling everything. Remember, this is straight hair, so with straight hair, when you curl it, the curls tend to fall quicker, and that's expected because it's a straight texture. So what you can do, like once you get your curls or your waves in the way you want them to be, you can just like use some holding spray, like once everything is like all the curls are in the position you want them to be. I'm just playing with it and seeing how I want it to fall. Okay guys, so I'm all done. This is giving me so much of like a pin-up girl vibe. I finessed this. I finessed this wig, like you cannot tell me nothing. I love the way this turned out. This is giving me super classy, elegant event vibe. Like you're just gonna put on that nice, like a really nice dress now and some super high, you know, stilettos, and you're just going to take the night. Like this is a look. I love the turnout of this. Petal Wigs, this came through. So as you guys saw, I applied a little bit of holding spray, as I said, because it's inevitable. I just feel like so far it's doing good with how the curls are looking, but I just feel like I'm always scared, like with straight hair and curls, like if you plan on wearing it for a long time, I just feel like just apply a little bit of holding spray, you know, and that should do the trick. But apart from that, during like styling the wig, I got 1 and 2 shedding, not a lot at all. I didn't get a lot of shedding, and that's expected, especially because this is processed human hair. That's it for today's look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, go and pick up on yourself. Oh my god, I just thought about some pieces that I got last night and just remembered how I have hauls coming up. You guys don't want to miss those, because that's all I'm gonna say on that. But yeah, just go and pick up on yourself. Go and stay tuned. Check out all my previous hauls on my previous videos. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for today. So just go and pick up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.